Next, colleagues from Lusk National Technical University, please, Dr. Olena Sulinovich.
Good morning. I have no electricity and I use mobile data internet. So if I have problem, please say me, okay?
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Welcome.
Can you see my presentation?
Yes, you can. Can you do full screen?
I don't know how it.
Сначала. О, F5.
F5.
You have закладка с текущего слайда сначала. You can push.
Sorry, I can do it. Maybe if I.
Okay, let's continue. Let's continue. We see your
Okay. So let me introduce one more. I am Olena Sulinovich from Lutsk National Technical University. Let me introduce our research, QR and 3D technologies integration in safety projects. So today I'll try you to explain problems in Ukraine and Europe. I show you our results and our development. So I think this information will be useful for all because we have many of us have children's or some nephew. So I think it will be useful. Every 20 children go missing in Ukraine every day. And why child go missing in Europe?
Excuse me, Olena, do you switch on your slide because we see just first one? Okay, thank you.
This one child go missing in Europe each 2 minutes a day. This sad statistic has been increasing every year. The protection of children is a priority for Renew Europe. Every year, thousands of children go missing. Also, there is no statutory publication of statistics on missing children in the European Union. Some organizations estimate that 300,000 children disappear every year. This terrible situation cannot be allowed to continue. Can you see the next slide?
Yeah, yes, oh, it's okay, please.
The war situation is in Ukraine now. Let's remember one situation, which photo was on all world's newspaper. A Ukrainian mom subscribed her contact info on her daughter's bag. It was hasty action, so this information couldn't be erased from child's bag. Nobody couldn't help this little girl because she couldn't speak. Our research is devoted to the actual problems of identifying young children in the absence of parents who cannot identify themselves. For Ukraine, this problem is very relevant in connection with the resettlement of people from areas where hostilities are taking place. So we proposed an approach for identifying children through a combination of 3D printing technologies and QR codes. The increasing of mobile internet and portable devices have opened up a wide range of possibilities to the world. So today, the use of QR codes has become an integral part of a daily life or job. QR codes can be seen in places and objects such as magazines, business cards, electronics devices, t-shirts, and so on. A QR code is a type of barcode that can be read easily by digital device and which stores information as a series of pixels in a square shaped grid. The data stored in a QR code can include website URLs, phone numbers, or up to 4,000 characters of text. Most smartphones has built-in QR scanner, which are sometimes built in the camera. A QR scanner is simply a way to scan QR codes. So scanning a QR code using your device is straightforward. QR code generating software does not call personally identifiable information. The data it does collect and which is visible to the codes creators includes location, the number of times the code has been scanned, and what times plus the operating system of the device which scanned the code. So on this slides, you can see four widely accepted versions for QR codes. Um, the QR code printed on the product packing or the other paper goods is difficult to read because the packing material can be slightly wrinkled or uneven. The advantages of printing a QR code on a plastic is that its surface has gradation. It could be more useful to print QR code on some hard surfaces. It will help to scan this code without some mistakes, for example. The solution to this problem is to print a QR code on 3D things. Let's describe all advantages of 3D printing. 3D printing enables you to produce complex shapes using less material than traditional manufacturing methods. Where 3D printing was only suitable for prototyping and one of manufacturing in the early stages, it is now rapidly transforming into production technologies. PLA plastic for 3D printing must be used for our experiment. PLA is more environmentally friendly than other plastic. So, since it belongs to the ground of biodegradable polymers, it is far friendlier to the earth than conventional plastic like ABS that have no chance of degrading into the next, I think, near 100 years or more, even more. PLA is biodegradable, biocompatible, and renewable thermoplastic polyester, which is mainly derived from corn starch. The monomer lactic acid of PLA is derived from natural sources. Lactic acid is produced using bacterial fermentation of corn, sugar cane, potatoes, and other biomass. Figure 10 shows the life cycle of PLA product. You can see on my slide. PLA provides several advantages over other materials, including first, environmentally friendly if disposed of correctly. Second, easily to 3D print. Third, safe for use in applications such as food containers and medical devices. And fourth, comes with a wide range of composite and color options to provide different properties and appearance. Analyzing the situation about the children's missing, measures for more children's safety must be taken immediately. It is proposed a unique accessory that has the QR code. QR code will include some simple database with information about parents, their phone numbers, or some information about the child's illness. 3D accessory will consist of PL plastic. No, I said it that is biodegradable and decomposes totally in 12 years. And they can have different design. Database includes the simple Excel table or simple Google documents with some information. If to talk about iPhones, there can be some problems with Excel tables. So Google's documents would be more useful in this case. You can see it for on the picture 13. If to plan create a database with some another information, for example, not only parents numbers and so on, it used we have used MySQL. So another advantages of our product is the material which does not cause allergies in children, does not tear, unlike paper or fabric. The material of our product is PLA plastic. It's safe and fully biodegradable for 12 years. The main advantages includes increased resistance to the influence of external factors and the possibility of restoring information compared to printing with ink on paper or other materials. The information will be saved under the influence of destructive factors such as high humidity, medical, thermal, chemical, and other types of influence. This become especially relevant in the conditions of war. We made the poll. 300 respondents took a part in it. The next diagram shows the survey results. You can see it on figure 14. 92% of parents worried about the safety of the children. 74% were interested of our idea and our product. And 21% of parents wanted to use our product. The next stage of our research was the presentation our product and its usefulness. It has been used Facebook, where some posts about our product were prepared. Then these posts were shared in different groups. For example, if you use Facebook, you can see different groups. It can be local city groups, many mothers groups, and so on. Then TikTok with information about our product has been used too. This social network helped to interest not only parents but their children who wanted to have cool accessories and to be different from others. This product in entertainment centers was presented too by us. Data analysis of various sources regarding public interest in our product is presented in figure 15. The results suggest that children are interested in using an accessory just to be fashionable. They didn't understand the importance of safety because they are so little. Using TikTok, entertainment centers, and sometimes Facebook, they ask to buy this accessory only for entertainment. But these results show that the parents are more interested in children's safety. And the best results of it is to present our development to in entertainment centers where it can be explained how it works, and then it can be presented um, this accessory for some parents free. To establish interest of the authorities, a question about occupation was included in the survey. You can see it on figure 17. The results show that 46 of people work in state structure. For example, I remember it: police, medicine, state emergency services. So in this case, the interest of this category of the population in our product will allow us to bring information about solving the problem of children's missing to the authorities. We researched the world's market and found some similar product. For example, a QR code pet tags is a digital pet ID tag. Instead of print name and phone number, these tags have a QR code that links to the pet owner's contact details. When someone scans the code, they get the pet owner's contact information. They can seamlessly contact the owner and inform them about the pet. But our product has more advantages that it shows on this slide. Future research can be dedicated to development and implementation of the difficult database that will include information about insurance policy, child's illness and blood group, or some another information. The database will include a privacy feature that will be accessible by medical, police, and emergency services. This can help improve safety and save lives of more children. The combination QR code and 3D printing technologies to create unique accessories that are useful and vital for children's safety have been proposed. The advantages of printing a QR code on plastic is that its surface has gradation, unlike paper, which can be damaged. QR code will include the information about parents, their phone numbers, or some information about child's illness. Database includes the simple Excel table or the simple Google documents with some information. If to plan create database with some another information, we will use MySQL. PL plastic for 3D printing must be used for our experiment. PLA is more environmentally friendly than other plastic. It's safe and fully biodegradable for 12 years. It is predicted that our development will be of interest on many parents around the world. It can be useful in the security system of local communities, police, medicine, and other emergency devices. So, thank you for your attention.
Thank you very much for your extremely interesting and important presentation. Thank you very much. And now we can ask Olena for your report. Welcome for questions.
Alexandros here, Olena, thank you for your presentation. Great idea. I saw it a couple of times on Kickstarter as well, something similar. I would recommend for your future product idea is to include NFC inside the plastic because it will help you to store much more data and it doesn't require any energy. So you can, because NFC uses, energy from the phone, so you can reduce the size of the SQL database.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Any other comments or questions? And my question is, what about any maybe specific measures to assure security of your application? Or you use standards techniques to assure security of this product?
Nowadays, we have one solution. If parents want to use our product, they must subscribe agreement that their information can be used. So that one. And the next step, if you can say that if the child have this accessory and everyone can scan this QR code, but the child must not move, must stay, and so on. So it can be impossible. I think.
Similar dear service. Okay, thank you. Any other questions? No, thank you very much, Olena, for your interesting presentation and very perspective work and useful work. Thank you. Okay.